So why do you think sometimes, the thing I'm always curious about is when we're talking about fear, Robert, what is the biggest difference between fear today versus fear 50 years ago versus fear 100 years ago versus fear 20 years ago? Isn't this a common thing? Like when market does well, economy does well, a few people are prepared for it. Most people kind of sit around, don't do anything about it. What's changed? And is that going to be happening 50 years from now, 100 years from now, where people capitalize and most don't?
So the fear today, I think people are a little bit wiser, is because they do remember 2008 and they do remember 2000. So 2008, 2000, 2008, and here we are today. So I think most people are at least kind of tuned in. I hope it doesn't come down, but I'm afraid it will. That's what I have to say.
Most people are more tuned in today because it was only 12 years ago when the last market crash happened. I remember 08. 08 was pretty ugly. We started our agency a year later in 09. And
That's
AIG,
the smartest thing you could have done.
Yeah, believe me, it benefited us because we got a contract with AIG at the time and a few insurance companies, and we started growing, but everybody was scared. And a part of, the business for us is fear sharpens listening. If you're able to monetize on fear, you can really do some stuff when the market changes.
But I want to say what you did was really, really smart, because the best time to start a business is right after a crash.
Your entire life.
Yeah. So when here I'm talking about the coming depression, everybody says, "Oh, you're such a pessimist," I go, "No, I'm excited." I get sexually stimulated thinking about all the bargains that are going to be on the street. I mean, it's going to be bargains everywhere. But everybody else, "Oh, you're pessimistic." No, I'm actually optimistic. This book, Who Stole My Pension? I write about what is America's #1 export. Do you know what it is? Toxic assets. 2008 was Wall Street.
Toxic assets.